Did you know that your horse's body is composed of approximately 70% water and is regarded as the most important nutrient in which an animal can consume? The StockMaster stainless steel automatic waterer from Greg Grant Saddlery is the perfect addition to any property, making watering easier and more accessible to any animal. The automatic drinking bowl is suitable for all types of animals, whether it be dogs, sheep, cattle, horses, the list goes on. Have convenience in providing enough water, clean water, and consistent access to water all in one easy functional system. With the addition of a StockMaster stainless steel automatic waterer to your paddock or kennel comes with many benefits. These include providing your animals safer drinking water by preventing mold and algae growth from still water over long periods of time. An automatic waterer is capable of keeping water cooler in the summer months and warmer in the winter months, encouraging animals to continue to stay hydrated. As your animal drinks throughout the day, the availability of constant fresh water keeps them fully hydrated regardless of the climate, all while eliminating the worry of constantly checking on your trough's water levels morning and night, allowing you to have more time to complete those important tasks. Before installing your StockMaster automatic waterer, you will need to go ahead and purchase a 20 by 15 mm threaded hex reducing bush fitting if you don't already have one at home. Screw the fitting onto the attached thread located on the side of the automatic waterer for a secure hose connection, following with a standard hose fitting. Firstly, you will need to measure the distance that your screws will need to be in order to hold the waterer to your fence post, stable or kennel. Once the screws are in place, you can fit your automatic waterer and secure a hose to the side fitting. Before turning on the water flow, you will need to adjust the float angle like so. Adjusting this will allow the float valve to fully seal and stop water flow once the trough is full. Now that you're ready to turn the water on and initially fill the trough, you will see that as the water flow increases, so does the float valve height and will eventually get to a level and seal. Have peace of mind in ensuring your livestock and animals are keeping hydrated all year round by incorporating the StockMaster stainless steel automatic waterer to your property. Purchase now either online or at your local Greg Grant Saddlery today.